We are at Highland Park, Illinois Service and Sales Center, and we just stopped here for a supercharge after restocking our Asian foodstuffs at the Super H Mart. And they have, I've counted, over 32 Model 3's waiting for delivery. And when I say, I'm going to say they are, those are Model S's right there, but we're walking towards something I want to show you guys. These are fresh. When I say these are fresh, I literally mean fresh. So they have a lot of turnover getting these things out the door. So we're going to take a look real quick here. This one has a manufacture date of July 18th. Or it could just be July 2018, I suppose. But today is July 29th. So these things are getting here fairly quick. And for a July 2018 Model 3, we're at VIN number 37,928 already. Check that out. So props to whoever's getting this one. Some seals are not too good there. But overall, fit and finish is impressive. The service and sales center is currently closed right now. It's Saturday afternoon. And boy, do they have the cars. There's another one right there with a date on. We got Vinny and Estrella here. We got Gino playing here. Say hi, Gene.
Hi.
Which one do you like the best? Oh, looks like we get to follow him. Oh, he likes that one. You like that Model 3? You gotta talk loud. We're outside.
Yeah.
Why do you like this Model 3?
Because it has cool wheels and then
Cool wheels and cool door handles. Well, we're not going to touch the door handles because I don't want any car alarms going off. But, well, you forgot to say it was black, right?
And it's black.
And it's black. So you want a black car?
Yeah.
You want a black car. All right. So what, you and Vinny are going to go cruising in a Model 3 looking for girls? What? No. What do you mean no? So what other ones do you like over here? We got a Model S right here. That's an older one. Old nose cone. There's another Model S I saw somewhere around here that actually said customer refused. So it was a certified pre-owned. I can just imagine how bad of a condition it was now that they don't do reconditioning of them. Let's see. This one's got 718. What's on the dash of this one? Oh, check that out. A lot of information. This one's 38,739. Got some Model S's. Oh, we're not going to go to all of them, but it is great to see that Tesla's really churning these buggers out. This one's got bird shit on it, so well, that paint's going to be ruined because Tesla paint is complete crap. Where is that reject? Let's take a look at that rejected Model S. Here it is. Oh, and there's a Roadster here, so we're going to take a look at the Roadster too. Customer cancellation. Hood's bent. It's a little hard to see on the camera, but the hood's really off. This one's VIN 85,100. Needs mass, according to a post-it note. I don't know. Looks not too bad. What is this one? 85D. It's got a little Christmas tree air freshener in there. Should we go take a look at that Roadster? Yeah. Another old Model S. It's blue. Gray. What does that say? Trade-in vehicle. Oh, trade-in. But total, and then they also got them parked in the side lot next to here. But wow, do they got the Model 3's right now. I like seeing them with those aero rims, or aero wheel covers, I should say. So I wonder what this one is. This one looks like it's been sitting a little longer. It's a little dirtier. Oh, 48,369. This one's even newer. Wow, how about that? Still a July. How about here? Another July. 49,000. Holy crap. And I thought that one right there was fresh. These are even newer. These must have just got off the, can't say the boat. Holy crap. 52,216. So we know they're at least at 52,216 for delivery. This one's 22,000. That one's been here a while then. 28,000. So 52,000. Oh yeah, this one's got to be straight off the truck. If you look, it still has the chrome protection, adhesive protection on them. That's that blue stuff. Protects the chrome in transport. And a lot of the pack. Oh wow, this even smells like new plastic. Beautiful. Wow. Nice. What a gorgeous car. If only these had unlimited supercharging and the same battery warranty and drive unit warranty. Man, I'd probably be getting one for Chevrolet, but instead, nah. Sorry guys, I know Tesla's progressed a lot and my 90D is so much better than my old MS60, but I still don't quite trust the quality level on the drive units yet. Gotta say it. Gotta say it. So, there's even more in the back lot. Okay, we got, okay, that looks like a customer car. Got Model 3 for service. Brand new X 100D. Is that a Founders? That may just be a Founders. And I know a lot of people have been asking because my old MS60 was sitting in this back lot for about 10 months. No, it's no longer here. I actually did find out what happened to it. Unfortunately, I haven't been able to actually track the car down. If I ever hit the jackpot lottery, just for nostalgia's sake, I would buy back my old MS60. But yeah, it's been gone for a while. So here we are. We have Tesla Roadster Sport. I thought that said Founders. It's got backup camera.
It's so tiny.
Yeah, it is tiny. Not even power steering on these. Beautiful. Don't touch. Don't even get near this one. The hood's kind of ajar. Got some cooling fans, some leaves, bird crap. Yeah.
I feel like I want that one.
You like this car? Oh, I'd love one of these too, Vinny. No plants, no leaves. That's not salad. Sorry, bud.
Salad.
So this is Roadster number 1,439. It's kind of dirty. Wow.
$14.39.
No, that's not the price. That's the number that this was built. Beautiful. Oh, there's the famous Tesla panel gaps.
The worst.
Tires are pretty much worn out.
Where's the price?
There is no price. This isn't for sale. This is a customer's car.
This is made of gas.
No, it's not gas. This is electric. It's a Tesla, Gene. Beautiful. Okay, let's get out of the back lot here. So that's it for Highland Park. I'm not going to go around front, but in front of the building, there's tons lined up. I know the last time I was here, they actually had 2 car haulers unloading. They get rail shipped in from California to Chicago here, and to the shipping depot about 3 or 4 miles from here, and then they get car hauled from there to here. Personally, I'd just send a couple guys. It'd be cheaper just to have a couple guys drive them and get a good test run, as all cars should get test run before they're sold anyways. And here we go. My good old 90D. Really churning away. Cooling fans going full blast. How much do we got in there?
168.
We got 168. Say hi.
Hello.
Yeah. There's a Roadster. There's about 32 Model 3s. A little over 32 Model 3s. We're slowing down a bit now at throttled supercharging, 169. If you're okay, we're going to charge up a little bit more. We can skip Pleasant Prairie and Oak Creek.
Okay.
All right, we're gonna walk. And that's it. So this place is loaded, and this is a Saturday. So I'm sure some people got deliveries yesterday and today. So that's it.